Hello German learners, welcome to my channel. Are you tired of learning German the hard way? Don't worry, here's the easy way to master German from A1 C2 within 120 days. It's not overwhelming because we give you exact German pronunciation, native language meaning, English meaning. You can listen and learn effortlessly, even while sleeping. Let's jump into today's lesson. Now entering a 1 level, akzeptieren, akzeptieren. 안익으리ken, to accept. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. akzeptieren. 안익으리ken, to accept. Great. Next word. annehmen, annehmen. 안익으리ken, to accept. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. annehmen. 안익으리ken, to accept. Great. Next word. Einverstanden, einverstanden. Sammadichu, agreed. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Einverstanden. Sammadichu, agreed. Great. Next word. Stimmt, stimmt. Sammadichu, agreed. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Stimmt. Sammadichu, agreed. Super. You've completed a 1 level. Now entering a 2 level. Absprechen, absprechen. Sammadiken, to agree. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Absprechen. Sammadiken, to agree. Great. Next word. Einverstanden sein, einverstanden sein. Sammadiken, to agree. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Einverstanden sein. Sammadiken, to agree. Great. Next word. Hinnehmen, hinnehmen. Anigeriken, to accept. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Hinnehmen. Anigeriken, to accept. Great. Next word. Ist einverstanden, ist einverstanden. Sammadichu, is agreed. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Ist einverstanden. Sammadichu, is agreed. Great. Next word. War einverstanden, war einverstanden. Sammadichu, was agreed. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. War einverstanden. Sammadichu, was agreed. Great. Next word. Zusagen, zusagen. Sammadiken, to agree. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Zusagen. Sammadiken, to agree. Great. Next word. Zustimmen, zustimmen. Sammadiken, to agree. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Zustimmen. Sammadiken, to agree. Super. You've completed a 2 level. Now entering B1 level. Einigen, einigen. Sammadiken, to agree. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Einigen. Sammadiken, to agree. Great. Next word. Hat sich geeinigt, hat sich geeinigt. Sammadichudunde, has agreed. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Hat sich geeinigt. Sammadichudunde, has agreed. Great. Next word. Recht geben, recht geben. Sammadiken, to agree. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Recht geben. Sammadiken, to agree. Great. Next word. Verständigen, verständigen. Sammadiken, to agree on. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Verständigen. Sammadiken, to agree on. Great. Next word. Der vereinbarte Termin. Der vereinbarte Termin. Sammadicha തീയതി. Agreed date. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Der vereinbarte Termin. Sammadicha തീയതി. Agreed date. Super. You completed B1 level. Now entering B2 level. Die Annahme. Die Annahme. Angaben. Acceptance. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Die Annahme. Angegadam. Acceptance. Super. You've completed B2 level. Now entering C1 level. Billigen. Billigen. Angegerichu. To approve. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Billigen. Angegerichu. To approve. Great. Next word. Gutheißen. Gutheißen. Angegerichu. To endorse. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Gutheißen. Angegerichu. To endorse. Super. You've completed C1 level. Now entering C2 level. Konzidieren. Konzidieren. Angegerichu. To concede. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Konzidieren. Angegerichu. To concede. Great. Next word. Ratifizieren. Ratifizieren. Angegerichu. To ratify. Let's practice now. Repeat after me. Ratifizieren. Angegerichu. To ratify. You're doing amazing. Want deeper explanations? Check our playlist. Get the free PDF by subscribing. Like, share and comment to help us grow. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Until next time.